Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina K and the time right now is 12:20 a.m. Malaysia time zone. If you have watched the part 1 video of how to install Azure Information Protection client application on your workstation, so this is actually the part 2 of it. So this part 2 we're gonna talk about unified labeling. I'm very happy that Microsoft has finally officially released unified labeling from preview mode. I was really looking forward into unified labeling because uh, it has m- expanded the supportability where it could support Microsoft Teams. It doesn't just support for Microsoft Teams, it also has making it as a centralized platform for administrator to manage their labeling, which is on the Office 365, portal, security, and compliance. Because as an administrator or as a technical person, the first usual portal that we go is Office 365. So when first Azure Information Protection launched, it was under the Azure portal and kind of like giving the administrator has a how to say two platform to manage security. So I think it is very good that Microsoft has released this unified labeling and provides administrator to has a easily manageable single platform to manage their labeling. And another great thing is that you can even migrate your labeling from the Azure portal to Office 365. But before migrating them, you have to understand what are the differences, such as how's the interface gonna looks like, how's the label gonna appear on the user side or in your administration side. So these are the things that you need to get familiarized and understand what are the differences before you migrate those labels to the Office 365. And you have to read what are the limitation or restriction in Office 365, label support, and what are the defaults and all those. Those you can find it from the Microsoft Docs. They really help a lot in providing reference on Azure Information Protection. Okay, so let's start the demonstration. So I won't dive too much because this is more on how you could install the Unified Labeling client application. So first of all, you have to go to the download website, which is the Microsoft Downloads. So you can see that they even provide you description on which is suitable for you to download which application. So if you don't really contain or has any own key setup for your labels, or you don't have any scanner. Scanner is like the I, Active Directory rights management scanner, which is the on-premise level. So if you don't have that, you can go ahead and install the Unified Labeling Client application. And if you think that it doesn't provide you the features that you want, you could go ahead and install the normal client application. So below here, these are the file names. If you have gone through Unified Labeling Preview, so these are the preview application. One is for profile and one is for system base. So since that the unified labeling has been announced officially, it is off from the preview mode. You could go ahead and install this application, and also this is the system one. So this is the normal Azure Information Protection client application. They even provide you pretty good description and what are the version currently right now. They even provide you what is the system requirement for this application to run on and what is supported Office version. And here are they even provide you some guides for yourself and for end user if you are planning to send out communication planning to your end user. You could use this instruction as a reference and help you to build your communication plan. So I already had it installed and set up. So let's go to look at how the application looks like. So the application doesn't look any difference from the normal one. So you still have the viewer. So all the interface is pretty normal, nothing changes. Yeah. The only change is that your the labels, because the labels will be seeing your Office 365 security labels. So I have a sample Excel right here. So let's try to label it. So you can see that the labeling option is still there. So nothing much changed. So this will launch the application. So you can see that this is actually the labels that created from Office 365 security and compliance. From here is slightly a bit different from the Azure labeling. Usually it will state here as sensitive label, not set yet. And yeah, from here there's nothing much.